Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the plaits on the front like this, take the hairs and then make the plaits on it. Now fix it on the back. So first we will take the hairs from the sides in small sections and join them together to make the plaits. Watch the video how we are making it and follow along. After that we will tie all the hairs, fix it together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the hairs like this, take the hairs from the sides into small sections and join them on the back together like this. Tie them, now divide the hairs into two parts, fix it. Now make the plaits on each section of the hairs, fold it upward and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and tie it on the back. After that, we will divide it into two parts. So first, we will make the plaits on the front part like this. Join the hairs, fold it upward. Now take another section of the hairs, tie it from the between like this. Now rotate it. Now we will fix it on the top, making a bow. Now make the plaits over it like this. Fix them using a rubber band and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. First, take small section of the hairs on the top and make the plaits on it. Now on the sides, we will make the plaits by taking the hairs like this. Join the hairs from the sides and make the plaits. Take it to the back. So first we will divide the hairs into two parts on the back and then join it like this. Make the plaits of all the hairs together. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Now fold it upward and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs into small sections like this. Now divide them into two parts and make the plaits. Now join them on the back together like this. Keep joining it. Now fix it. It will look like a web shape. Tie them together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, divide the hairs into two parts. Take small section of the hairs in the front. Tie it like this. Join it on the back. Now make the plaits like this by taking small section of the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.